Dude, kill that thing.
Kill him.
Kill him. Yes, sir!
Yes, sir!
Red connect, baby!
Man, we're right where if the sun pops off these, it's gonna be good. Oh, on the left, on the left, on the left, on the left. It's a green head too. It's a green head. Shoot him over there. Damn. Alright, just cut in. Just cutting in, see? This one might do it here. Shoot him when he comes over. Kill him.
There we go. Good hit on that second one.
Chester.
Yeah. Oh, he's gonna get one.
I think he's hurting pretty good.
I know his name's Chester. I just call him Chester. Not really a reason.
We got this backwards wind right now, huh? If we didn't have that, he probably would have came right in with the wind at our back. See how he cupped in?
Yeah.
That's what we're looking for. Single drakes.
20 more.
Yeah, very doable today, I think. Ended up getting out pretty late. It's my fault. Didn't wake up on time. We got one in the bag. Hey-oh. So we'll see. Probably gonna shoot for a little bit and then pick the camera up once the sun's cool.
Yeah. Real ugly thing to look at.
Oh,
Day,
yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
I always say, even if I don't shoot a duck, seeing them.
Yeah, hunting out here like this.
Especially when they're flying.
Well, and we already shot some. I mean, it's a success. But you're right. We need to open up this hole. Maybe even the divers.
I'm gonna go.
I mean, there's just so many ducks. I'm gonna do one more adjustment. Hold on. It's a drake. Get ready. One of you guys shoot him.
I hit him. God damn it! Right in the face.
Jeez, guys, how many I gotta back you up on?
Dude, you said the first shot hit him.
Coming back. You guys get ready.
Lost him.
He's right here. He's right here.
He's gonna drop right in.
Kill him now. Hey, somebody else got that one. Good boy. Oh boy. I don't like that they're getting up for my shooting. Who got that one? I didn't.
One of us did. Yeah, I might have got him on the last one, but I don't know unless he felt connected up.
There we go. Here we go. It's a good bunch. I can see Drake. Watch the three and the single. Watch the three when they come over. See the single right there?
Yeah.
Kill him. Shoot that one in the water. Shoot that one in the water.
Yeah, his head's dropping.
Yeah, he's hurt.
Oh, Chester, you gonna get that?
I called it a little early, but
No, you're fine.
I felt.
Want me to shoot that again, or is he gonna?
I think he's gonna get him.
Okay. This one right here's probably got a band.
Oh, there's a diver.
He's already fucking done that to us once.
He's a diver. He ain't gonna grab anything though. He's gonna come back up.
There he
Ooh, coming in closer. That ain't smart. Look at him sneaking.
Oh, he's got him now. Chester's
Oh,
like,
bringing him in. That one's dying. See how he's head down. I knew he wasn't hurt. That hurt.
No.
Chomp.
Boy, Chester.
Oh yeah, single. See what he does.
Oh, he's hooking.
Just got him. Just got him.
Is he gonna do it, Chester, out there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he is.
Kill him, boy.
There we go. Beautiful.
Here you go. Good boy. Good boy. Here you go. We're just going to shoot whatever he does on the first pass, which is looking good right now. Kill him. Was it?
There's you. I don't
Oh,
know.
okay. I shot. Yeah, you can have him.
We may.
We got him. That's all that
Did we all
matters.
shoot? We must.
Did we all three shoot at the same
My
time?
empty's right there.
Nice.
too.
Nice.
Yeah.
I don't need him, so one of you take him.
Classic thing when all three guys.
Hey, we got him.
Yeah, maybe that's why he died so hard.
Comes over, I'm just going to shoot him. I'm going to shoot him right behind us.
Oh, we got a couple different birds.
I'm going to shoot this one.
Oh, Susie.
No, I shot a drake.
Good God. They saw us all that. I don't know what it is.
Oh my God, dude. I'm gonna say, if you missed that.
Shit.
Okay, when they come back, they should. It's 3 drakes. It's 3 drakes. Get ready. We're going to shoot them now. Unless they short us.
Oh, I can't see them.
Here they come. Shoot them, boys.
Oh yeah.
Make sure you shoot them. Shoot them again. Shoot them again on the water. That one. Woo! 3 drake cannons.
boy.
Dude,
That was fucking.
That's
I
rare.
definitely got one out of that.
that was cool, dude. 3 cans. 3 bull cans. Bring it here. Good boy. Good boy.
Oh yeah. When we pulled up, I was so confused because of how low they were. I was like, where are they? Oh shit!
I lost them in the sun right here.
Good boy.
I'm seeing where they.
Here, buddy. Bring it here.
Dude, these may do it.
Okay, just tell me if they're getting too close. Bring it here. Good boy. Oh, that's a nice one too. Here.
Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah.
What a beauty.
Woo!
Beautiful.
Yeah, boys.
That is so cool.
There we go.
I was like, why are we not shooting him? That's what I was sitting there thinking.
Please be a drake. Come on, Chuck. Hook it up,
I can't
man.
even see.
I ruined our streak.
I said shoot him. You can blame me. I don't care.
Doubles. God, you.
Hey, you at least got a double. Like, that doesn't
Yeah,
happen
but a
very
double.
often.
Wait, you shot both of them?
Yeah, I didn't even pull the trigger. I was getting ready to pull the trigger on that back one. and he
Double
dodged it.
that it's. Woo!
Yeah, I didn't shoot it.
Woo!
Like, it wasn't just a fail. It was like double failure. Double fail.
I shouldn't even have just put my gun up.
Oh, I'm sorry, girl. Susie Slayer Garrett.
Damn it. I'm not shooting in the sun anymore. That.
I'm gonna wait.
That's hilarious. I didn't know you shot both of them.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, I saw the first one drop and I went for the second one. I should have just waited. I was kidding. It was right in the sun.
He's coming. He's coming.
That's a nice drake.
That came around, baby, and I'm almost done.
Yes, sir.
Drake Widgeons.
Dude, I love how midday widgeons just make the world go
They
round.
do. They do, man. And
Cotton top.
I did not press record again on the GoPro. There's no fix to that.
It's a good thing you hit him on the second shot because I was like starting to.
Where are we at?
I was so uneven. I was like starting to fall over as I was pulling up.
So I have one bird left.
You have one. You have one left.
I think so. So
Yeah,
that's
he
4,
only needs
5,
one.
6. So one left.
You have one left, and I've got 3 left.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
No, it's not. It's a drake. I saw the white wings.
Yeah, man.
Like, he's pretty creamy.
Love it.
That is a
Let's look at
beautiful
him.
widgeon.
hold on. Yeah, he's not storm, but he's real light. He's close.
Dude,
That is a
really pretty bird.
Hey!
Oh, nice
That
shot.
was a great shot. Well, then get up and shoot him now. These aren't working.
Okay.
Are they for sure?
It's on the right. Are they far? They're right here, dude. You're gonna miss your window.
Just slip up. Yeah, don't scare him if you can help. See him over there? See him over there? See him over there? No, he's not. No, he's not. Shoot him in the head. Shoot him again. Oh, you shot the hand.
Oh, motherfucker. Well, you said, where did you say the...
The drake was right to the right of it.
Where did you say what?
That's
what?
okay.
Whatever.
That one right there. Right there. I mean, that's a fucking... It's a mounter, dude.
Nice, dude. I've never seen one.
You got it before he slid out.
Is that a goldeneye or merganser?
Looked like a mergie.
Dude, it's a nice
It's a
merganser.
nice one. Yeah.
Nice. Decoy to merganser.
Dude, this is a fresh looking one.
Dude, this one's prime, dude.
One, dude.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh, I love it.
Yeah, buddy. Oh,
Oh, dude.
damn.
Dude, that might have to... I mean, that's a wall bird.
I would mount that.
Dude, yeah. Look at that thing.
Dude,
Unbelievable.
they're beautiful.
That is a pretty bird, boys.
Oh, mallards up front.
Dude, I put 400
Here,
into that.
I'm gonna go put him on the pile, the good pile.
Yeah. Oh, there's some mallards. Oh, yeah. A day to remember. Gotta love it. Dropping Dumbo feet.
Will work for shotgun shells.
Right. We're going to sell our house to get more shells.
Hot out here.
Very hot. I'm wearing way too many layers right now.
No, yeah.
But also seeing those birds coming that close got me a little hot and bothered too.
Flared hard to come in.
Yes, they did.
Weird.
You're going to get your opportunity right here, dude.
Here we go.
Don't do it. Don't hang up.
One of them's coming.
Oh, damn it. Hope that
One of
didn't
them's coming.
blow him
No, he
out.
didn't.
No, he's coming. He's coming. There it is. This is the final bird. Let's do it. Dude, kill that thing.
Kill him.
Kill him. Yes, sir!
Yes, sir!
Red connect, baby!
He came in perfect, dude.
That's exactly what we wanted right there. Heck yeah.
Let's get out of here, huh? Heck yeah.
Nicely done. Way to wrap it.
Woohoo!
That's it, boys.
Hell yeah.
Ended on a nice streak, too.
Yeah.
Just hovering.
And dead. Like dead cold.
Attaboy, Chuck.
Good dog. Good dog. All right, I got it. Dead bird. Dead bird.
Drop.
He's like,
He's like, you know how long I waited on this? Good boy.
Heck of a day. Finished out strong. Had a merganser come through. A couple cotton tops. Healthy serving of mallards. Took a little longer than usual, but we grinded it out. We got them.